Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem with the AC on the many Opel models. In this case we have a Zafira A. Now, what's the problem? The problem is the AC is not turning on. When we start the vehicle, the radiator lamp is on. Okay, we hook the diagnostic and we will see what happened. Now we used Opcom. We hook the Opcom here. Okay. And we see what we have here. It's a 2005 Zafira A. Choose the engine module. It's a diesel. Now, what we have here, and I'm not sure. Okay. Fault codes. Okay. AC voltage low. Okay. P1530. Okay. We try to clear it, but we didn't. Okay. The AC compressor command is from AC module. We open auto data, we choose the Zafira A, and we will see what's the wiring. Okay, choosing air conditioning and cooling. We have automatic temperature control after 2003, so we choose that. Now, this is the engine control module, and this is the AC compressor clutch. We see the command from the AC clutch came from the engine control module, engine blower, coolant blower control module, and we check the power supply for this module, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses. Yes, and we gonna check it. Okay guys, we open the fuse box. We see the fuse box here, and we check the fuse number 40. Where is it? There is it. 40. Okay. What we see here is blown. Okay. It's a 5 amperes. We must put 7.5. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we check the fault codes. We see the fault codes here and we try to clear it. Clear. No TTC. Okay, we start the vehicle. We turn AC. Yeah. Echo work. Yeah. Okay. Yes, we have a AC. That's all.